Hey, what's up guys? I've been watching a lot of fighter jet videos lately and I see they go really fast. They break the sound barrier. I figure I could probably break the sound barrier too. And I know the key to going fast is looking fast. That's why I got these socks. So today I'm gonna break the sound barrier on foot. Yeah, it should be enough room. One of the main parts of going fast, you gotta do a lot of stretching.
Oh my God!